my favorite part, it's eating the pizza. See? It holds it really well. That's what I'm talking about. Perfection on my channel. No secret on my channel. Quality. Wow. Hello guys from Maestro Ettio Copelli. Welcome back to my channel. So, I got this pizza here, like you can see. We call Effetto Piscina. So, basically, the pizza is perfect. And this is one of my favorite pizzeria here. But today I order a margherita with buffalo mozzarella, and of course I expect this error. So here we have a little bit too much water on the pizza. So today here I'm going to show you the owner, even if they're super busy, how to make the pizza perfect, but not like this with all this water. So I'm going to show you how to make the pizza with no water basically. So let's go inside, let's go and meet the owner and tell him what's wrong on this pizza. And let's see if he accepts my offer to help him to make the pizza a perfect and approvato by Maestro Ettio Copelli. Let's go ahead and let's go inside. Here we go. Ciao Michele. Meet Michele, the owner of Salsa Pizzeria in Brooklyn.
Nice to meet
Of course,
you.
this is one of my best pizza places in New York.
Che è successo?
Michele, Nati,
going on?
something, you know, you make a perfect pizza,
Thank you.
but this is buffalo mozzarella, and the pizza come out a little bit too wet.
I see.
Can you show me how you made this pizza, please?
Okay,
The whole
sure.
process.
Let's see.
And
Let's do
then
it.
maybe I can try to give you some tips to not make it like that.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's
do it.
Show me how you made it.
Andiamo.
So now, let's go ahead and let's see how this pizza was made. And let's see if we can find the error. Hey Michele, can I get in back there with you?
Come here.
This way we...
What an honor, guys. Maestro Vito Jacopelli in the pizzeria with me.
Thank you.
I got
Thank you.
goosebumps.
This way I can, we can explain what's going on.
All right. Let's see. I'm gonna do the exact same thing that we do
Yeah.
for pizza.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Actually, we do something special for you.
Okay,
All right?
perfect.
Let's do this.
Perfect. Let's see where is the come si dice intoppo in inglese?
The mistake.
No, it's not really a mistake. It's just something. It's
Little.
a little wet, you know.
Allora,
Okay,
vediamo.
that's the process. Voila. You stretch the pizza. Okay, okay.
All right.
I want to see the whole process.
Now, put the tomato sauce.
Yeah.
Put 2 scoops.
Ah, okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so that's probably because it was a little bit too wet. So, just so I put always 1.5 scoop.
I wanted to give you
Because,
more sauce.
I know. You want to make it
Alright,
special
okay,
for Maestro Ettio
okay,
Copelli.
okay.
But here we are here to show you to make the best
And then,
and perfect pizza.
to
Yes.
make it even more special for you,
Yeah.
we're gonna cut it fresh.
Let me see.
Alright, look at this.
Okay,
Look at
that's-
this.
I love that. That's a buffalo mozzarella. The buffalo mozzarella is already wet. So you cut in the cheese like that. Guys, this is fresh buffalo mozzarella. They use really high quality ingredients. This comes from Italy.
This is milk from Italy produced in Brooklyn.
Outstanding.
Okay, look at that. Look at that.
Milky. Okay. Oh yes, wait a second. Okay, so to make the pizza now wet, that's where is the mistake. The mistake is if you're going to cook the pizza like this, the buffalo mozzarella have so much milk inside. See? So much milk inside that it is gonna make the pizza too wet. So what we do, basically we cut the cheese a little bit more thin, like that, and then we put it in a container and we drain it. But I knew it. I would have bet. I would have bet that Michele had it. But why you didn't make it like that for me? See? That's the proper way how to make the pizza. So they have the
Buffalo
drainer.
mozzarella.
Like you can see here, so much milk inside. See the water? Look at this. so much milk. So they put this overnight, and then okay, now you can make it with this, Michele. So why you make it with fresh mozzarella? You want
Because I wanted to make special for you.
It's okay. It's okay. We are here to learn, to show them how to make the best. You know what I'm saying?
Very good.
Perfect. And you don't put too much, otherwise the pizza is gonna come out too wet. So basil, of course, basil under the cheese.
Or on top when you put oil,
Oh
right?
yeah, perfect.
You know how
Okay.
I learned this?
Where?
Vito Jacopelli.
We're gonna show you how to, what's the difference. Vai Michele, I'm gonna help you. Voila. So in a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and cook it and see what's the difference between the one before and the one now. And of course, we're gonna give it a nice, we're gonna cook it all the way, the pizza. Otherwise, if you cook it too hot, it's gonna come out soggy, of course. So now, let's wait and let's see the difference of the pizza. And voila, guys, the pizza is outstanding. This is the difference between see the water that was made before versus the drained mozzarella. This is when you're gonna use a fresh mozzarella. That's what you're gonna do. Drain the cheese, put it in the fridge overnight. Especially if you're making pizza at home, you have to do this. Thank you so much, Michele. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this with my friends, and thank you so much for watching. Smash the like, come and visit my friend here from Salsa, where you are.
Brooklyn. We are at 40 Clifford Place in Greenpoint.
So I'm gonna put everything in description. Tell me in comments what you think. Tell me in comments if you ever made this kind of mistakes, and I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it. Subscribe.